Outlander, Mitsubishi. It's a 2-liter diesel. I haven't been done anything more or less to it. Change wheels and some. But now I have to change oil. I haven't changed oil filter on this car before, but now I have got some oil on a special offer. It's Mobile Super 3000 5 to 40. I think that should be nice for the car. And this is a different filter than I'm used to change on the Toyotas, so just have to check up in the front and see. And then the oil filter is under here. A little difficult to see. But to get in there, I need to take off this connection to get in with tools. Here now, so 10mm bolt. That was sitting. How big? Yeah. Sorry about a lot of things coming in the way here. Now it's just to try to get the filter coming out from here. And just the top cup was coming off. Filter didn't come with it. There, the filter. It's a new filter going with this side down, and it's a new rubber seal for putting around here. Taken away the old rubber seal and just put on a new one, lying in a groove in here. But first I have to try to get the filter to go into the box again. The filter dropped in here. I can go and get my light. I think I have it there. I'm used to working on Toyotas and things, and I've never seen them make a mess up like this. Yeah. You're supposed to put on oil on that rubber seal before you close it, but as you see, I didn't. It's plastic, so no point using too much force. You just break it. There. Before I forget to close this one back, it's a 10mm screw. It's going in here. This one was tightened incredibly hard. There is no point to take it that hard. The engine sump. The engine is middle of under the car. Oh, 1219 seems to be right. I have a long 19. And of course, it's tightened. There. Try to take it off without dropping it in the oil pan and messing up everything. Yeah. My problem now, the car is not completely flat. Just draining out. This oil is of course completely black. And then I'm going to put back the plug. Really not the most used. I just have to drive this car a while, and if you still have it in the end of the summer, I just have to change oil again, because this is this oil was very bad, or maybe a lot too little also. To think about that the car is not standing flat. No, it seems like it starts to come up here. Just a little bit. They're just going to put things together, start it up, I'll drive it down to a flat ground and check it again. Seems to be too little. Just go on and put on the rest. Don't seems to be. It's up on the stick, but it's not on the top. But it's halfway up, so I'm thinking just to drive it a little and then check it and refill a little more. Now maybe I can put it on this way. That would be smart. And see, No, the coolant is on the right place, but I'm losing coolant somewhere too. I have some problem with the ABS sensor and things, so it's a lot of things that need to be done with this car. But for the moment I just have to use it, since the Land Cruiser is still standing there and the Golf is still standing in the garage, and I have to get some more tools for the Golf, and I have to get some part for the Land Cruiser. So now the old Camry and the Outlander is the car that we're using. Oh yeah, do as good as we can. So now I'm just cleaning up and say it's okay for the moment, and I'm coming back and checking the oil after been driving it a little, maybe tomorrow or the day after, just to be sure that I can maybe refill a little more, maybe half a liter more. So, but thank you for coming by. This was a simple way what to look for on this car. I'm sorry that my car is not in so good condition. It should have been much better, but I get it very cheap and we have to use it. So it's like that. So, thank you. Please come back. Please subscribe to the channel. Please put comments. Thank you. If I should put, some of you guys maybe have the amount of liter that is supposed to stand in the book. I don't have the books. Some of you guys maybe would like me to use some different oil than the Mobile Super 3000. 5W40 fully synthetic. I use that for a lot of cars. That's because we often get it on sale here for half price a lot of these, so it's very cheap to change oil. I can change oil more often, so that is not a problem. So thank you, please come back.